this is Chickabrick here. We are just coming out of a major snowstorm that has left most of the continent, Canada and the USA, under 4 to 6 feet of snow. I'm on my way to investigate an incident of abuse of Lego. I think this is one of the most serious cases. Who could do this? Unbelievably cruel. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Oh, you can see him. Goodness knows how long he's been here in the snow. Oh my goodness. He must be freezing. Here we are, heading back. As you see, he's quite cold. We don't know how long he has been left in the snow for. So let's get him home safe and warm. That's our primary concern. So now I just need to get him really nice and dry. You must be hungry. Is it delicious? Good night, sweet dreams. You're finally safe. Oh my God, look who's back. And look who he brought. So cute.